In this video, we're going to be talking about a way for you to check your solutions when you've solved equations. So from now on, after you solve an equation, you can use this method, and then you have instant feedback whether your answer is correct or not. So what that means is you should never get these questions wrong anymore, because you can always retry them if your solution doesn't work when you've done this method. So what you're going to do is plug your answer into the original equation, and then if both sides are equal, then your answer is correct. If it's not equal, that means your answer is incorrect, and you should go back and try again. Alright, so in this one, we have the equation 3x plus 1 equals 7, and then someone had already solved it, and they're saying the answer is 2. So we're going to check this for this person to see if this is the solution. So what you do is you plug in that 2 wherever you see the variable, the x. And remember, when they're next to each other, that means multiplication. So what I like to do is I use a parenthesis for my multiplication. So 3 times 2 plus 1, and I want to see that it equals 7. Okay, so order of operations, I'm going to do 3 times 2 first, so that gives me 6. 6 plus 1. Bring down the 7 from the other side. And then 6 plus 1, that is 7. So since both sides are 7, that means 2 is the solution. So 2 is a solution. So on the practice set, when you have these questions, you're going to have the equation and then a number afterwards. And then what you're going to be putting is solution or not a solution. So let's try another one. This time, the equation was 4h minus 2 equals 22, and someone solved it and they said, I think the answer is 6. So you're going to check it for that person. So 4 times 6 minus 2, and they're saying it equals 22. So let's check. 4 times 6 is 24, minus the 2, bring that down, and then 24 minus 2, that is 22. So since both sides are 22, this person is correct, and it is a solution. So 22 is a solution. Oops, sorry. Well, that's a little sloppy. Okay, that's supposed to say solution. Alright, so let's try another one. So we have negative 3y minus 5 equals 10, and this person solved it, and they say, I think the answer is negative 5. So let's check it for them. So negative 3 times negative 5 minus 5 equals 10. So order of operations, we're going to do negative 3 times negative 5 first, and that's 15. 15 minus 5, that is 10. Since both sides are 10, that means negative 5 is a solution. Alright, the next one we have negative 17 equals negative 6r plus 2, and they said, I think the answer is 2, so we're going to check it for them. So negative 17 equals negative 6 times 2 plus 1. Alright, so notice how we're doing the work on the right side this time. So negative 6 times 2 is negative 12, and then plus 1. Negative 12 plus 1, this is negative 11. And since that is not equal to negative 17, so the sign for not equal, we have the sign for equal, it looks like this. For not equal, it's the same thing, but we put a slash through it. So negative 17 is not equal to negative 11. So in this case, the person who said the answer was 2 is incorrect. And so they know to go back and try again. But for our sake, when we're just checking it for them, we say 2 is not a solution. Okay, but if this was your question on a future practice set and you see that it is incorrect, don't just take it and go, oh, well, I got an answer, I'm good enough. No, go back and try your problem again. Alright, a few more. I put these in here because they look a little bit different types of problems. So in this case, the question was 13 equals 1 plus s over 4, which means s divided by 4. And this person said the answer is negative 8. So let's check it for them. So we're going to plug everything in. Alright, so order of operations, I have to do division first. So negative 8 plus 4 is negative 2. And then 1 plus negative 2, that gives me negative 1. So 13 does not equal negative 1. So negative 8 is not a solution. So again, this person would go back and try this problem again. Alright, and last one, we have negative 7 equals 1 plus 2/3 times negative 12. So the person thought the answer was negative 12. So order of operations, we're going to do a 2/3 times negative 12. And 2/3 of negative 12 is negative 8. So 1 plus negative 8 is negative 7. So since negative 7 equals negative 7, that means negative 12 is a solution. So this person does not need to go back and try it again because they got the correct answer the first time. Alright, so go ahead and pause the video and try these ones on your own. You are checking to see if it is a solution or not a solution. You don't have to go back and resolve it if it doesn't work. Alright, so this first one we have 2 times 4 minus 5 equals negative 3. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus 5, and that is 3. So 3 does not equal negative 3. So I'm not going to have much room on here. I'm going to just write not solution, just so it's on here, but you know that 4 is not a solution. So the next one, this person tried this equation. They say the answer is negative 6, so let's check it for them. We have negative 5 times negative 6 plus 3. So negative 5 times negative 6 is a positive 30 plus 3, and that is 33. So 36 does not equal 33. So again, negative 6 is not a solution. Alright, the next one we have, the person tried this equation. They say the answer is 20. So we're going to do negative 3/4 times 20 plus 10. So negative 3/4 times 20, that is negative 15 plus 10. And negative 15 plus 10, that is negative 5. Since 15 does not equal negative 5, this is again not a solution. So this person would have to go back because 20 is not a solution. And last one, we have negative 20 equals 7 plus negative 108 over 4. So first off, negative 108 divided by 4 is negative 27. So 7 plus negative 27 is a negative 20. Since the 7 positives will take away 7 negatives, and there's 20 negatives left over. So negative 20 equals negative 20. So this time, this person got this one right. So negative 108 is a solution. So again, on the practice set, all you would have to write is not a solution or is a solution, and that will be sufficient. Alright, this is the end of the video, so thanks for watching.